Hello, today we have a G502 Hyperion Fury and it's going to get disassembled and washed. Also, might look into painting these a little bit. And then there is this part here. The previous user has gone through the rubber. Sadly, I currently don't have any way of fixing that. Hopefully in the future I will. But in any case, these need to come off. So normally I would just say that, you need to have these ready to go. A new pair, they usually don't cost too much. But I've seen some comments about you should just heat them up and then they come off nicely. So we're going to try that. And to help with that, we have a thermometer. And we're going to see what the current temperature is. And it's roughly 23 degrees. So once we've heated this up, we'll then check what the temperature is and we'll take these things off and see if that works better. So the final temperature is roughly 50 degrees C, which is roughly 122 Fahrenheit. And I will try to remove them. It would seem that it's a little bit easier to get them off. The only problem is that it's also easier to get them off the surface of glue. So there's the Teflon layer and then you have another layer under it, which is the glue stuff, usually a double-sided tape type of thing. And that also seems to come off from the Teflon itself easier. So it's a double-edged sword, but we did get them off and now we can take this thing apart. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws in the bottom. There we go, the bottom's free and now can be washed. Now we just need to do a cleaning of this, otherwise the electronics are fine. This part. Now that everything has been taken apart, we can actually wash the thing. There we go, all parts have been washed, and I will just take them to be rinsed. Turns out that this is actually 2 pieces. And the reason why this wouldn't come out is because there's a screw inside. So for the right and left click, we're first going to go with some black surface primer, and then we're just going to use some varnish. Now that all of the parts have done, we can put this thing back together. And then before we put on the Teflon feet, we'll just check that all the buttons work. Good. We have the feet here. Let's heat them up and apply them to the bottom. There we go. The feet have been replaced and the mouse is done. The heat definitely helps. Just remember that it comes with the caveat that it also means that the glue that is holding the double-sided tape to the Teflon will also release more easily. Yeah, that's all for today, and I'll see you next time.